Behind every successful product is one powerful process, Advanced Product Quality Planning or APQP. Without APQP, companies face recalls, delays, and millions lost. APQP, or Advanced Product Quality Planning, is a structured roadmap to bring products from concept to launch, right the first time. When done right, APQP aligns suppliers, reduces risk, and ensures customers get quality every time. From aerospace to automotive to defense, APQP is the backbone of reliable innovation. Want to master APQP? Visit the leading disruption website and subscribe for more manufacturing leadership insights.